What do Madonna, a Silicon Valley tech executive, and thousands of everyday Americans have in common? They've all packed their bags and moved to Portugal. But it's not just about wine and sunny beaches. Over 14,000 Americans relocated here last year alone, and most people have no idea why. Today, we're diving into 10 unexpected reasons why Portugal has quietly become America's favorite European escape. And it might just be your next move too. While many countries welcome remote workers, Portugal designed an entire visa just for them. You can live legally, enjoy a lower cost of living, and work for US companies, all while sipping espresso in a historic square. No wonder tech workers are flocking here. Portugal has a public healthcare system where residents, including expats, can access quality care at shockingly low prices. An ER visit might cost $20. A full surgery, maybe $1,000. Compare that to US prices and, yeah, you get the point. In Portugal, life isn't a rat race. People value time, conversations, and connection. Americans are trading burnout for balance, and it's transforming lives. The Portuguese government offers favorable tax schemes, including the non-habitual resident program. Translation: you could save tens of thousands in taxes for up to 10 years, legally. For some high earners, it's a no-brainer. Portugal ranks as one of the safest and most inclusive countries in the world for LGBTQ+ individuals. Whether you're single or starting a family, you're welcomed, not judged. In cities like Lisbon, Porto, and the Algarve, you'll find thriving American communities ready to help you settle in. Need advice on visas or finding housing? There's probably already a Facebook group for it. Imagine this. You rent a sea view apartment for under $1,200 a month, dine out for $10, and buy wine for $3. In Portugal, you don't need to be rich to live well. International schools in Portugal are top tier and much more affordable than in the United States. It's a huge plus for American families who want a global education for their children without the Ivy League price tag. From Portugal, you can hop to Paris, Rome, or Berlin in under 3 hours. With budget flights under $50, many Americans are embracing a jet-setting lifestyle they could only dream of back home. For many Americans, Portugal offers something priceless: peace, less crime, less division, less stress. Whether it's the political climate, economic uncertainty, or just a yearning for calm, Portugal is offering a reset. So what do you think? Is Portugal calling your name too? If you're considering making the move, or just curious, hit that subscribe button for more insider guides to life abroad. And drop a comment. Would you move to Portugal? Why or why not? We've got videos coming up on how to actually move, costs, legal tips, and hidden gems only locals know about. See you in the next one. Or maybe in Lisbon.